Hello students, today I'm going to start chapter 4, which is Advanced Features of Word Processor 2. This is the part 2 of the same chapter which we have studied in chapter 3. Alright, now the first topic in this chapter is finding the text. Now what is finding? Finding means to search. Now why we have to search? Okay, I'll let you know. When we are working with very big documents, okay, when we are working with very big documents, say as in like 2 or 3 pages, at that time the Word provides the facility to so that you can search your document and use the find feature. Why do we use this find feature? We use this find feature so that we can find the word, we can find a particular word and we can replace that particular word with a new word. Okay, now to find a particular word or phrase in the current document, you have to follow the following steps. Now what are the steps? As you can see on your screen, I've already written a small paragraph, you can say, about e-banking. Okay, now I want to do finding. Now what I have to do is I'll click on the home tab and then I'll move to the editing group. In the editing group, I have the option find. Okay, I have the option find and there is a small drop down button is there. So I will click on this drop down button. Okay, and then I'll click on find. Now you can see on the left side of the screen, the navigation pane of find has opened. Okay, now there is a search button, is a search box. Now we'll press the left mouse button, the cursor will appear, and for say I want to find the word e-banking. Now you can see on your screen, wherever the word e-banking is there, it has been highlighted with yellow color. Can you see? Okay, wherever the word Microsoft Word has found the e-banking word, it has been highlighted with the yellow color. Okay, now the next step is, let's close it. Again we'll go to the home tab, editing group, find button, and I'll click on advanced find. Now let me shift it here so that you all can see. Wait, let me make smaller. I think 16 is fine. Click on find, advanced find. Yes. Let it shift it here. Okay, now in the first this first button, when I clicked on find, you have seen that the e-banking word I have found. Now you can see automatically in the find what column the word has already come, e-banking. It is already highlighted. Okay, find what you have to find, the word is e-banking. Okay, find next. Wherever you will find e-banking, see, now once the word Microsoft Word has finished the searching about e-banking, it will prompt a message, Word has finished searching the document. Click on OK. Now basically, why do we find the word? We find a particular word in a document when we have to replace it with another word. Now you can see on your screen what I have typed. It is written e-banking stands for electronic banking. E-banking is the way of performing bank transactions using internet. E-banking provides 24/7 service during all days of the month. In every sentence, the first word is e-banking. Now I don't want this word e-banking every time. Okay, I want to replace this word. Now what I will do, find what, e-banking, I'll click on the replace. Okay, I'll click on replace. Now find what, it's written e-banking, replace with it, replace with it. Okay, now do I need to, now I'll do one by one. Let's see what happens. Replace. Do I want to replace this word? No, because it is the starting of the paragraph. I don't want to replace it. But find next. This word, yes, I want to replace. I'll click on replace it. Again, this word, do I want to replace? Yes, I want to replace this word. Okay, this word, e-banking saves time. Yes, I want to replace. Now in this line you can see e-banking sites are www.statebankofindia.com, www.pnbindia.com. Do I need to change this word? No, I don't want. Find next. Now here also it's given the steps to perform e-banking are. If I write the steps to perform it are, doesn't make any sense, so I don't want to replace. Okay, find next. Does it find? No. The Microsoft Word has prompt a message. Word has finished searching the document. Click on OK. Okay, when you click on OK, click here also, click on close. You can see the changes. What are the changes? E-banking stands for electronic banking. It is the way. Earlier it was e-banking is the way. Now it is the way. Okay, it is the way of performing bank transactions using internet. It provides, earlier it was e-banking provides. Now it provides 24/7 service during all days of a month. It saves time and helps the bank to reduce the cost of transactions. E-banking sites are so and so. The steps to perform e-banking are this, and this. I hope children you have understood the topics very well. Now, how to do this find and replace, this I have taught you. Now I want to explain you something more. If you click on find, advanced find, and click on this more option, you can see different options are there. Match case, find whole words only, use wildcard, sounds like, find all words, forms. So I think it's better to be on all, search for all the words. Okay, it will make your work little easier. Now this is all about finding the text and replacing the text.